Hello everyone, welcome to TeluguOne food channel. I am Murli Mohan. Today we are going to make cream of chicken soup. Some garlic, onion, carrot, thyme, chicken, leeks and celery, some olive oil, bay leaf, salt and pepper or butter and cream. First we need to some oil. Garlic. We need to saute some garlic. Next, put the onion, some carrot, one bay leaf, leeks and celeries, then thyme. Just saute from 5 minutes. Add the chicken. Now we will add stock, some vegetable and chicken. Now I am going to make a puree of it. Now our puree is ready. Pepper, add some salt, add some butter, add some cream. Now our cream of chicken soup is ready.